Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy festive look that is apt for the summer season. This look stayed as such without budging or moving in this hot Chennai summer. If you want to know how I did this look, then continue watching the video. Before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Clean skin is important to achieve the perfect makeup look. Today I have used Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. It is a perfect gentle face wash suitable for all skin types. Then I've used Neutriderm Vitamin E moisturizer to moisturize my face and neck. For lips, I've used the Nature Route ADHARAM lip oil which preps my skin so well. If you're going out, don't forget to apply sunscreen, guys. To start off with makeup, I'm using Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. I'm applying it mainly on the areas where my skin tends to get oily. This provides the perfect canvas for makeup and blurs my pores. Next, I'm using Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange to color correct my skin. You can see that I'm applying a tiny amount of the product and blending it well with the Vichy Tear Cut Beauty Blender. This step helps to cover my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Then I'm using K Beauty HD Loose Powder to set my skin so that the orange corrector does not mix up with the foundation. Now I'm spritzing NYX Matte Setting Spray to obtain an intact base. This step is important to make makeup last longer. Then I'm mixing 2 shades of Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation to get my perfect shade. I'm dotting it all over my face and blending it well with the Vichy Pro Makeup Base Foundation Blending Brush. I have not applied any makeup on my neck because I'm gonna wear a choker. Also, you might think this shade looks lighter on my skin tone, but after it oxidizes, it is gonna be fine, guys. After blending the foundation with brush, I'm just dabbing it once with the beauty blender to get perfect flawless base, and this step will help to remove any excess product. Next, I'm setting the base makeup with the same K Beauty loose powder. All the product details that I have used for this makeup look have been mentioned in the description below, guys, so kindly check it out. Next, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Face Palette to apply bronzer and blush. I am applying the bronzer on hollow of my cheeks and jawline. I am applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks and tad bit on the center of my nose. Then I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Art Arrival Brow Definer to fill my eyebrows. You can see that I'm using short strokes and filling in the direction of hair growth to obtain natural looking eyebrows. For today's eye look, I'm using Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake. I'm picking this beautiful peach shade from the palette and applying it all over the lid with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going with a matte look since it's a daytime look. Now I'm taking the same shade with my finger and applying it on the center of my eyelid to intensify the color. Next, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Hana Intense Kajal to tightline my lower and upper waterline. I'm slightly intensifying the kajal on the lower lash line to obtain a bold lash line because I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner today. Then I'm curling my lashes with Vega Eyelash Curler. For mascara, I'm using Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara and applying it well on my upper and lower eyelashes. I'm applying a good 2 coats of mascara to obtain a false lash effect. For lips, I'm using Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut to draw an outline of my lips. Then I'm using Smashbox liquid lipstick in shade Babe Alert to fill my lips. It is such a beautiful pinkish peach shade which is apt for this look. Also, this lip combo has become my favorite lately. Now we can apply another layer of setting spray one more time to set the complete makeup. That's it guys, hope you like this easy festive day makeup look apt for this summer season. If you do so, smash the thumbs up button, comment down below whether you like this look and what kind of videos do you want to see next. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram page for more skincare, hair care and makeup content. Until next time, bye.